session conducted by IoT Forum VIIT was really amazing. Instructors Rajat and Sejal explained every single detail very perfectly. I hope to see some more sessions like this. Thank you so much.
Well, this session was great and thank you.
This webinar was really very informative. The basic knowledge required to upskill ourselves in this particular domain was achieved. The instructors of both the sessions, they were really very helpful. They helped us to clear all our doubts. Learning should never stop, whatever the odds might be. So attending such webinars in this COVID-19 pandemic, it helps us to keep ourselves motivated and focused. So thank you.
The seminar was very helpful, and for such a short duration of time, it covered a huge amount of content. We understood the basics of programming. Thanks for the IoT Forum for giving us the opportunity to learn the basics of Python.
Sir, session was all good, and whatever your concept are you teaching us, it's very clear, and we understand very well. So thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Raveen from VIIT, and I have been attending the online webinars organized by the IoT Forum of our college, and I have been since the first one on competitive programming, and they covered many topics through the series of these webinars, and they were very useful to me. And although some topics were very new to me, the faculty was doing a great job, and they also tried to cover a maximum amount of topics within a given amount of time and along with the practicals. So I am grateful for organizing such a series of webinars during this lockdown.
Hi, I am Dr. Atul Sangal. The session which I attended here on Python was very well organized, very systematic, and I learned a lot within these 2 days. The instructors were very cooperative, and they cleared all the doubts, and the best part is they had clarity over the concepts. I wish them all the best.
A very good evening everyone, myself Nityashri. Coming to the feedback, before the session I didn't have any prior knowledge towards SQL and big data, but after the session I'm pretty much sure that I've cultivated a few amount of knowledge towards SQL and big data. I sincerely thank everyone who have organized this event. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Piyush Kumar. I am from College GC Aurangabad, Bihar, and I have successfully attended the webinar conducted by IoT Forum VIIT Pune. And it helps me a lot in increasing my knowledge, and it was a great experience with them to learn the new skills in this critical situation. Thanks to them.
Hi, my name is Smita, and the webinar was very interesting, and I have developed many more skills of Python and refreshed my basic skills of Python. Thank you.
Hello, I am Meenakshi Sakharkar. I am from KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur. I have successfully attended the webinar conducted by IoT Forum VIIT Pune, and it helps a lot in increasing my knowledge. It was a good experience to learn new skill in this critical situation. Thanks to them.
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Sharma. I am one of the participants for today's webinar, that is SQL with Big Data. And I would like to mention that our both instructors were excellent. They have given their 100%. Their effort were really remarkable, and the knowledge they have provided, that was awesome. Thank you very much to both of you for your effort, and congratulations everyone for successful completion of this webinar. Thank you.
Hello, myself Sujay Pattiwar. I attended the Python webinar conducted by VIIT. It was a very great session. The instructors were very knowledgeable.
It was an amazing experience actually. I had a basic knowledge about few of the sessions earlier, but the little details were missing, and that hole was filled by the instructors. So thank you very much.
Thank you for all the full sessions. It was very useful for me.
Hello, I am Mohammed Sir from Pune. It was a great experience learning Python from you.
Hello everyone, myself Deepak Patil. I am from VNIT Nagpur. Talking about the session, it was good. It could have been better, but for the students who were learning the topic for the first time. It was good.
Today's session was very fruitful and very informative. Thank you so much.
I'm Yogesh K of Peri Institute of Technology, Chennai. I have attended a webinar based on SQL and Big Data from IoT Forum. It was very good and awesome one.
Good evening, I am Ganesh Gaikwad. So today's webinar is amazing and give me the knowledge for my best. So definitely I will say that today's webinar give me the additional knowledge.
I am Sakshi Dev from VIIT Pune. I attended today's webinar of digital marketing conducted by IoT Forum VIIT. I am very happy to say that it was really informative, productive and very great work. Thank you.
My name is Akash Sanjay Bhagwat. Just finished webinar of a digital marketing organized by IoT Forum. Very collective and informative webinar. Thank you for this.
Hello, I'm Riha Mundekar. I'm pursuing my BTech degree from VIIT College Pune. I'm from Karad. I recently participated in digital marketing webinar. This webinar was so effective, informative and great. We achieve more information about digital marketing and I will try to apply this information practically. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ruchi and I am from Nagpur. The overall webinar was good and I liked it. Thank you.
Yeah, it was a very nice session. We have learned many new things. The best part was I enjoyed that was Hacker Rank. There we got practice and in short it was a nice experience and the instructors get us more. They put more efforts that we can understand more in short period of time. That was good. The instructor was very interactive. So overall session was very nice. We have learned many new things. It was a great experience.
Hello everybody, I am Vishal Patil from Shirpur. I have attended this webinar on Python. Through this webinar, I have upgraded myself in the domain of programming, particularly with Python. I am very thankful to the organizers and instructors of this webinar